Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone. Today I want to share to you guys about chapter 11, Managing Knowledge, with me Nurhani Shahira binti Azman. Let's start it. I will explain to you guys about subtopic 11.3, what are the major types of knowledge work system and how they provide value for firms. Okay, what is knowledge system? Knowledge system is a system for knowledge worker to help create a new knowledge and integrate that knowledge into a business. And what is knowledge workers? Knowledge workers include researchers, designers, architects, scientists, and engineers who create knowledge for the organization. Knowledge workers usually have high level of education and membership in a professional organization, and they are often asked to exercise independent judgment as a routine aspect of their work. Three key roles that are critical to the organization and to the manager who work within the organization is: first, keeping organization current in the knowledge; second, serving as internal consultant regarding their areas of expertise; and lastly, acting as change agent, evaluating, initiating, and promoting change project. Requirement of knowledge work system. This system required sufficient computing power for graphic and complex calculations. Second, powerful graphic and analytic tools. Third, communication and document management. Fourth, access to external database. Fifth, user-friendly interface. And lastly, optimized for tasks to be performed, which is design engineering and financial analysis. Next is example of knowledge work system. Major knowledge work applications include CAD system and virtual reality system for simulation and modeling. Computer-aided design is an automate the creation and revision of design, use computers and sophisticated graphic software. And each design modification require a mold to be made and prototype to be tested physically. And that process must be repeated many times, which is a very expensive and time-consuming processes. So this system is for a creation of engineering or architectural design. And CAD systems are able to supply for 3D printing. It is also known as additive manufacturing, which use machines to make a solid object layer by layer from specification in a digital file. It is unlike a traditional technique. The 3D printing lets worker model an object on a computer and print it out with a plastic, metal, or composite materials. The 3D printing is currently used for prototyping, costume manufacturing, and fashioning items with a small production run. Okay, second is a virtual reality system. It have a visualization, rendering, and simulation capability that go far beyond those of a conventional CAD system. In the many reality system, it is actually a simulation real life environment. So in many virtual reality system, the user dons a special clothing, headgear, and equipment depending on the application. The clothing contains sensors that record the user movement and immediately transmit that information back to the computer. And for instance, to walk through a virtual reality simulation of a house, you will need to grab that monitor to the movement of your feet and hands and also head. You also will need Google's containing video screen and something audio attachment and the feeling glove so that you can be immersed in the computer feedback. So in a chapter opening case, user of Kedar-like VR's dealer system where special VR headset and headphones that make them feel they are seeing and listening to the real world calm. And then the augmented reality is related to a technology for enhancing visualization. AR provide a live direct or indirect view of physical real world environment whose elements are augmented by a visual computer generating imagery. And the last one, the virtual reality modeling language VRML is a virtual reality application developed for a web use standard. So this VRML is a set of specification for interactive 3D modeling on the web that can organize multiple media types including animation, image and audio to put user in a simulate real world environment. And the last one is investment workstation. So the streamline invest process and consolidate internal and also external data for broker, trade and portfolio manager. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. And bye. Stay safe.